My name is Antoinette.
My name is Sarah Talia Himmelfarb.
So my name is Jose Torres Tama.
My name is Natalie.
Because everyone deserves a healthy and whole home. Everyone deserves to be able to work and have a home free of toxins, off of toxic soil, the ability to raise their children and their families in whole and healthy ways.
Because as a physician in New Orleans, it's my duty to work for the health of all the people of New Orleans, and sometimes that means fighting systemic and environmental racism.
Because people need proper homes. People need to be taken care of. That should be preeminent. That should be not a necessity but a right of people.
Not only does nobody deserve to, spend all this money buying a house, whatever, to have them realize that their American dream is an absolute nightmare, but on top of that, when the rich capitalists pollute their soil and their water and the air, it's all of our heirs. All these struggles are connected, and it's not just about one community, it's about all of us.